Hey up, I've had this table saw, it's a Dewalt DW745 for a while, and I built it into this sort of a mobile trolley. I saw these plans online somewhere, I can't remember where. If I find them I'll put a link up. But anyway, I decided to put this wing on the side for when I'm running boards through. And to be honest with you, I've never been truly happy with it. It's got this mechanism here as I've cobbled up. This board here is a bit too thin. And I've never really been happy with it. So what I've done, I've ordered a couple of sort of locking shelf brackets. And I'm going to put a bit of 18mm ply on and remove this. So anyway, let's see how it goes, and hopefully it'll be a bit more stable, a bit better than what it is. Anyway, that's it. It's done what I set out to do. I do wonder if, I mean, it's functioning alright, but I do wonder if I should have used longer brackets. I don't know really, but time will tell. But it's certainly stable enough. It feels okay, and all it's for is just support the boards as they come through. So yeah, happy with it. Thanks for watching, and if you could like and subscribe, that'd be great, and hopefully you'll watch my next video. Thanks a lot.